A very good morning to my dear children. I hope you are enjoying the reading sessions. Today we are going to start with a new story which is going to bear a lot of patience. Now you have to tell me what and how do you feel like when you are supposed to go somewhere. Say at your picnic or your camping trips. It could be any of the thing. It could even be shopping. But now, as we all know, due to the pandemic, we all are inside our homes. So let me take you to a virtual experience to a zoo. Virtual journey to a zoo. Are we there yet? Now what is the synopsis saying? It was Jenny and Jimmy's first trip to the big zoo in the city, and they couldn't wait to get there. Are we there yet? Soon became the frustrating phrase of the day. You're familiar with that phrase, aren't you? Jenny and Jimmy were twins, and they were excited. They had just completed kindergarten, and because they did so well, they all were going to the big zoo in the city. Now what exactly is a zoo? Zoo is a place where all the wild animals are kept. After they got into the family car's back seat, Mom checked their seat belts and Dad said, "If everyone is ready, let the journey begin." They were off and headed to the big zoo in the city. The big zoo in the city was a long way from home. It wasn't long before Jenny and Jimmy were bored. They were so excited and just wanted to see the animals, even get some peanuts, popcorn and soda. But it was taking so long. "Are we there yet?" asked Jimmy. "No," his mom replied. "It will be a little while. Why don't you and Jenny look out of the window and count pine trees?" Now Mama had given them the job to count the pine trees. Jimmy looked at Jenny and then tried to look out the window, but they were too low in the seat to see anything. Jenny grumbled, "Dad, we can't see out the window. Are we there yet?" "Yeah, are we there yet?" Jimmy sang out. "We are getting close," Mom chimed in. "Why don't you both sing a song? That will help pass the time." "Okay," Jenny said. Then she leaned over to Jimmy and whispered something in his ear. They both smiled and giggled a little as they faced the front of the car and began to sing. Now what do you do when you get bored? I start writing poems. What about you? They both were singing. Are we there yet? 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 This was the song they were singing. Their dad looked at their mom and said softly, "I don't know about you, but I'm glad we are here." Then in a deep voice he sang out, "We have arrived." Jenny and Jimmy giggled. Jimmy and Jenny had such a fun day. They visited every animal, had fun in the petting zoo, and ate hot dogs, popcorn and peanuts. Soon it was time to leave. Mom got their seat belts on and they were headed home. "I hope they are tired and fall asleep," Dad whispered to Mom. "Are we there yet?" Jenny giggled in a soft voice. Now see, my dear children, it is just the excitement these two children are facing, what you feel, whenever you're going out or anywhere. So I hope you enjoyed the session. Take care, do reread it and enjoy. Stay home, stay safe, stay digital, and my dear children, do not forget to wash your hands. Bye my dear children.